Are you looking for a home in a great neighborhood? This home has charm from the moment you drive up to the front. Landscaped front yard invites you inside to a cozy living room with fireplace for those cool evenings, with open floor plan to the dining area and kitchen with pantry and all appliances included. Just off the kitchen is the laundry and access to the 2-car garage, perfect for bringing your groceries right into the house. The master ensuite features a nice-sized room with walk-in closet and master bath. 2 other bedrooms and a bath round out this affordable home, just minutes to Branson. Back deck offers space to sit and read a book, watch the kids play, or barbecue with guests in the fenced-in backyard. Perfect size home with a perfect size budget. Call today.